my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow. Baby, please don't let me blow. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand.
Well, boys, finally happened. So, just starting out, man. I'll give you guys a little backstory before I show you guys all the footage. You know, I got a lot of footage of the cop, like in car and stuff like that. I just want to give you guys a little backstory. Me and my brother were cruising on the back roads, like way out, like in the country roads and stuff like that, man. And we're just cruising, just me and him. You know, him with the S550, and I'm just cruising in my car. And we're pulling up, and I could just see a DPS pulling in, like probably 200, 300 feet in front of us. So I look at my speed. I'm like, all right, I'm good. I'm thinking the road is 70 miles an hour. Well, you know, you guys figure out later on the video that it is 60, he said. So I passed him, and you know, me and my brother both have radar detectors, so he wasn't radaring at the time, I guess. So we're driving in front of him. He pulls out behind me, and he's literally far as hell behind me, and all of a sudden my radar starts going off. So I'm assuming that it's him behind me, that he turns on his radar. So check my speed. I'm like, all right, I'm going speed limit. I mean, I'm good. So we just keep on going, and all of a sudden I'm looking at my speed. I look back up, I look in my rearview mirror, and he's on my back of my bumper. So I'm like, all right, this guy's about to pull me over. He turns the lights on me. I ended up getting over. I'm like, okay, something's about to happen. I get over, and he pulls up next to me, and he's like, are you following the dude in front of you? And I was like, I didn't know what to say because it was my brother, you know what I mean? So I was just like, yeah, I'm following him. So he's like, okay, follow me. So he pulls my brother over, tells me to follow him. So I follow him. I end up getting in front of my brother, so he sights my brother and stuff like that. My brother takes off, and he gives my brother a warning, and this is what happens to me. Thank you guys for watching.
Afternoon.
How you doing, sir?
Highway Patrol. Recently stopped today, sir, because of your speed. You have your license, proof, insurance?
I don't have my license, but here's my insurance. I don't have it on me. This is it's in my truck. Yeah, I'm recording.
What are you gonna put me on YouTube?
Nah, I won't put you on there if you don't want me to.
No, that's fine. You shoot YouTube videos? I mean, it's on camera.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah.
What's your YouTube name?
It's the same right here. Here's my sticker.
Is it
Yeah, 4 point. Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah, was I speeding?
Yes, sir. You and your brother were speeding. Both of you guys.
Yeah, because I saw where you pulled out of that cotton gin right there. That's 70, right?
No, it's 60.
Oh, it's 60?
Yes, sir. And right here is 50.
Okay.
It's gonna change to 55. And then it's gonna change back to 60. So
okay. Yeah, I know right here by the school it's 50, so we slowed down there, but okay, I thought it was 70 all the way back there.
Yes, sir. You said you don't have your license?
Yeah, I got the license number though.
What's your number? Are y'all twins, or are you the big brother?
No, he's an older brother, but no, we're not twins. Yeah, we're just taking a cruise out here, and then.
Okay. Wait.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, sir.
How old is this car?
It's a 1996.
So they didn't give you a front plate for it?
I ordered custom plates, but they only sent me one, and I had to get another one sent in the mail because of the whole coronavirus stuff. I was supposed to pick it up at the place over there, and then they said I couldn't go in there, so they had to mail them to me.
And you know you're not supposed to have slicks on it, right?
Yeah, like I said, I don't drive it all the time. It's just my weekend driver, or like my cruiser, take it to the track and stuff like that.
All right. So here's what's gonna happen. It's gonna be a warning for your speed. It's gonna be a warning for no front plate. All right. Also, no registration insignia on it. Yeah,
I got it right here. It sounds like I have a lot of excuses. I'm sorry, but my windshield's cracked, and I was gonna get it replaced, and I didn't want to stick it on there and not stick back. You know what I mean? That's why I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's gonna be a warning. Like I said, it's got to be on there. Okay.
Okay.
And, so it's gonna be a warning for your speed, no front plate, registration insignia, and also the slicks.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I'll be right back with you, and also for not displaying your driver's license.
Okay.
Right.
Sorry.
I'll be right back.
Sorry about that. All right. Well, that cop was pretty cool. I'm probably gonna ask him for a picture right now, but yeah, he was pretty cool. He's giving me a warning for all this stuff. My slicks on the road, then I have the cracks right here. That's why I didn't put the registration sticker on and my front plate. So he's being cool. I mean, there's cool cops out here, man, considering all this stuff that's going on. You know, he's being pretty cool about it, so really appreciate that of him. But yeah, man, I'll update you guys whenever something happens.
All right, so like I explained to you, it's going to be a few warnings, okay, for your speed. Also, one plate, no registration insignia, and not displaying your driver's license. Okay. Like I said to you about those tires, make sure you fix those rear tires. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will. Thank you.
There are no fine fees, penalties, or warnings. It's not going on your driving record.
Okay, is this one mine? Or
The
this
one on the bottom is
Okay.
yours. The one you signed is mine.
Okay.
No, you don't have to sign that one. That's yours to keep. The top one is mine.
Okay.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Drop
Hey,
it.
I had a quick question. Before you take off, could I get a photo of your car behind mine real quick?
That's fine.
Thank you. Okay, so that was one of the coolest cops ever. He let me go. He also let me get a photo of the DPS truck behind me. But I guess he didn't hear my exhaust. That's why he didn't give me a warning. But I took off. Loud as hell, man. I don't know why I did this to my car, but I guarantee you he's behind me and he's just like, man, this dude has a loud ass open exhaust too. But, yeah, guys. He's pulling up over here. Shut up. Bro, he's like, are y'all twins? He said we were speeding when we went past him. Oh my god, is he pulling up here? Hey bro, I know it's kind of weird, but like, you mind if I take a picture of your car behind me? He's like, yeah bro, just make it quick.
You're fucking
Alright boys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Yeah, we're good, we both got warnings. He gave me a warning for my registration, no front plate, not showing my license, and having the slicks on the street. Which I know that I never take the car out, guys, but you know, he could have been way worse. He could have ticketed us. He could have ticketed me for the dark tail lights. He didn't even get me for my exhaust, but yeah, man, I was gonna go ahead and do it. Thank you guys so much, you know, for all the continued support. I really appreciate it. If you guys like this one, please give it a thumbs up. We're gonna come back, race the GT S550 with the 150 shot once he gets tuned with the E85, and you know, I think it's gonna be a big difference. So yeah, man, drop a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time. It's your boy 4.6Chris. See y'all later, man. Peace.
I am, girl, in my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow it. Begging, please don't let me blow it. You can't do this, but I know that I can.